Hi guys, welcome to Gyan Vigyan Foundation's Higher Academy, and you are watching my YouTube channel Gyan Vigyan Foundation. So friends, today in this video we shall try to understand one another subtopic in physics, that is about the laws of kinetic friction. The first one is about the force of kinetic friction. Fk is directly proportional to the normal reaction between two surfaces in contact. Mathematically, we can write it as Fk is directly proportional to capital N, where Fk is nothing but kinetic friction, which is equal to mu k into N, where mu k is the constant of proportionality and also called as coefficient of kinetic friction. So friends, this was about the first point of laws of kinetic friction. Now let us see about the next point, that is the force of kinetic friction is independent of shape and apparent area of the surfaces in contact. The third one is force of kinetic friction depends upon the nature and the material of the surfaces in contact. So friends, the last one is about the magnitude of the force of kinetic friction is independent of the relative velocity between the object and the surface, provided that the relative velocity is neither too large nor too small. So friends, this was about the laws of kinetic friction. Now let us try to understand one another term, that is about rolling friction. Motion of a body over a surface is said to be in rolling motion if the point of contact of the body with the surface keeps changing continuously. The friction between two bodies in contact when one body is rolling over the other body, then it is called as rolling friction. So friends, for the same pair of surfaces, the force of static friction is greater than the force of kinetic friction, while the force of kinetic friction is greater than the force of rolling friction. As rolling friction is the minimum, ball bearings are used to reduce the friction in parts of machines to increase its efficiency. So friends, this was about the rolling friction. So guys, by now you might have understood my subtopic in physics, and if you have understood my subtopic in physics, then please comment, subscribe and like my channel.